how to turn on page instant reply on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page instant reply on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Let's go back first, and then first thing we're gonna do is click these three lines in the top corner, and then just scroll down until you find pages, and then just select your page. And now just click this settings icon in the top corner and click here. Click on messaging, and here we'll find instant reply. All you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.